Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Pharma Rocks with Shivaji Bundela. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Today we will introduce very important topic. What it means of GDP? GDP means good documentation practice. It is very important for pharmaceutical industry. We are producing life-saving drugs for public. That's the reason it's very important. If we don't have any type of documentation, otherwise we don't know what I did today. If we don't have any type of document, we cannot do anything, because without document we cannot justify to anyone what we are doing. First we have documented anything, after that we will do execute other analysis. GDP is two types. One type documentation, an approved instruction either in paper or electronic from which guide about how an activity shall be executed. If you are doing any type of analysis, any type of data preparation, any type of system installation, we have a proof. It is called documentation. When we are doing a installation of any type of new instrument, we have everything in documented like OQ, PQ, IQ. Second one is a record. Record provide evidence that activity have been performed or result have been achieved. A record is often considered as a document. They always document the past. When any audit is coming in your organization, we have the proof how much it is important of GDP. Now I will brief you what is the principle of GDP. A document with original signature should never be destroyed. Any type of document which are signed and reviewed by, we cannot destroy. Never falsify information. We cannot write any type of wrong information in the document. Never do white out and cover out tabs. Never we can do white ink use and cover tapes. Never hide and scratch any type of information or record. Never overwrite a record. Never use pencil. We cannot use pencil in the pharmaceutical industry. We can use only black pen, blue pen and green pen. No space line or fields are to be left blank. Never we can left any type of blank space. We can do NA, straight line and NA. Never use symbol. We cannot use symbol like ditto mark and arrow mark indicate representative consecutive entries. The principle of GDP is depend on ELQA. ELQA is my previous video. I define everything. You can see that video also. In that, ELQA means attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original and accurate. They cover the fundamental that should inform the way you develop your system and process for record and document handling relevant to your regulated work. I have defined you ELQA in my previous video very easy way. What it means and what is the definition of ELQA. All things are mentioned there. It is related to the documents. Now I will define you what is the good documentation practice in pharmaceutical industry. Those working in pharmaceutical and other healthcare sector must have good documentation practice to ensure the integrity and reliability of data. GDP lays down the guidelines for preparation, recording and correction of data as well as the maintenance of the record thoughts the life cycle of a document. Humans are not a god. They can do mistake. If mistake is happened, don't go in excited state. Do proper. We have guideline of GDP. In that everything is mentioned there. How we can adjust that any type of error. Best line of GDP. If you have not document an activity, you have not done it. Record writing and data integrity. Use a non-water soluble pen for writing on any official document. Use ballpoint pen of blue or black colored ink to make entries. Do not use pen like gel pen like ink pen or making entries. Don't use pens like red, green color ink. If you are doing entry, do proper entry and do first time. Write first time, do first time. Because entry is more important. If you are doing any type of wrong entry, you can cross first line, only single line, cut and give proper justification. Again, record writing and data entry. Entry complete and accurate information at the time work is performed. Enter signature or initial according to procedure. When one or more person complete the task, all person must signature. Never sign your name for performance of a job for work actually performed by someone else. Limit the use of abbreviation and acronyms. Entry will complete always within the timeline. If many more persons are doing work and single work in at a time, all persons are need to require sign. Correction to written record must be properly. Do not use overwrite, because most of the time person what happen, they can make 2 to 3, 3 to 8, 6 to 9. So that type of entry is invalid. If you are doing any type of mistake, single cut. Human can do mistake because it is human nature. If you are modifying the mistake, it is not a good habit. You can justify the proper justification for a mistake. GMP documentation requirement. Keep in mind, after the product is released and shipped to the customer, what remains behind is only document. Document record is useful to us only if it is 100% accurate. So it is important for us to understand and follow the good record practice. Record very necessary for us. So what we can do and what we cannot do in documentation, I will describe you. What is the summary of GDP? It is mentioned in do's. If any SOP, always follow the SOP, and anything in blank you can do NN and keep straight line. What no need to required as follow, it's called don'ts. Do not use pencil or erasable ink. Do not use write out or any masking device. Do not make corrections that are not traceable. Do not use sticky notes. Do not backdate or post date. Do not use ditto mark. Do not use strike that may cause of confusion, such as using the same strike for different footnotes. Do not transcribe data. Do not use unwanted laboratory notebook without page numbers. That is, avoid any doubt concerning missing page. Please ask to your supervisor, because if you are writing any blank page now, it is not a mention in company policy, because blank page is coming for printing, but many more time what happened, person will take blank page and write many more time. It is a data integrity, so and deviation also. So that's the reason we cannot write a blank page. It is not a good documentation practice. It is the summary of whole GDP. I hope you understand what is the GDP, why we are using. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.